Hi students, MCQ number 25. 4 engines are working between the given temperature ranges given below. For which temperature range the efficiency is maximum? Very good question. It appears to be very simple. Only our thought process is required here. Now for any heat engine, the efficiency is given by eta is equal to work done divided by quantity of heat drawn by the engine. So this is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1, and this also is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by T1. Now in all these ranges, two temperatures are given. See, 40 and 20 Kelvin. So the higher temperature must be source temperature T1, the lower temperature must be T2. Like that, 60 is T1, 40 is T2. Like that, you observe in all the four cases, in all the four ranges, what is T1 minus T2? 40 minus 20 is 20. 60 minus 40 is also 20. 100 minus 80 also is 20, 120 minus 100 also is 20. So in all these four engines, the numerator T1 minus T2, T1 minus T2 is the same, is it not? So this efficiency is now inversely proportional to the source temperature, inversely proportional to the source temperature. So if denominator is lesser or denominator is the least, for that only the efficiency will be maximum. Okay, so 40, 60, 100 and 120. In which case T1 is the least is in the first case. Understand? Therefore, maximum efficiency is equal to first case. What is T1 minus T2? 40 minus 20. So 40 minus 20 divided by T1, that is 40. Okay, so this is equal to 20 divided by 40. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So you have to understand that for whichever is T1, the least value, for that only the efficiency will be maximum, the highest. Okay, therefore option A is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.